Hello everyone, in this short video tutorial we will make a Yin Yang logo. Click on File, New, select the size of the document and click on Create button. Now select Ellipse tool, click on the screen and set the size to 100 mm. Press OK button. Now select the scale tool, press enter and reduce the size of the circle by 50% and make a copy of it. Now again press enter, reduce the size of the circle by 20% and make a copy of it. Now select the two inner circles, press shift key and drag it upward. Now select the alt key and press both the circle downward with the help of the shift key. Now we make a copy of it. Now select the object, expand, click on OK button, select all the circles, select shape builder tool, press here and drag upward to the inner side of the circle. Now change the color to black, shape builder tool, click here and release the mouse. Now click on the smaller circle and change its color to black. That's all we have done with this tutorial. Thanks for watching the video.